What's going on, traders? Happy Friday. Julian here doing a market recap. Got a couple stocks to talk about. Going to talk about HOFV, also MRKR. I'm going to start off with this one. Not the best trade today. Give you some insight as to what I was doing here. There was a pullback that I liked right through here. You might have seen the highlighted areas. And this thing actually broke out. Had problems right through here, moving higher at that moment right through here. It double topped it, pulled back. As it pulled back, I'd already moved my stop up, and I got stopped out on MRKR. Didn't really like this trade. And that was really about all on that one. So not much to talk about on that stock. I was hovering in and around HOFV all day. And there was one trade that I put on that got stopped out, and then there was another collection of trades that I put on this that actually carried all of my losers for the day and then put me in green. I'm going to get into it on this full chart right through here. What you're going to see over here on the daily chart is you can actually see that I'm looking at where the key levels on this stock are. Now, the first thing is over the last little while, last couple months, I should say, we've had this nice rally up, pivot point, pulled back, and it really started to move down here. If you were a swing trader, this is a great area to get long right through here. You can see there's a beautiful reset and everything that just comes to fruition right through here and really starts to push. Mild little pullback, and then today we really saw that intraday volatility that we're always looking for, and 326 was the level that needed to break out. It needed to take out previous day high. It also needed to test and take out these levels back here in early February. It did that beautifully and very, very clean. Broke out, pulled back. You can see that we've got this retest fired up. Now this thing is just moving up on a string. I did not get in on this minor pullback. It wasn't everything that I needed to see. What I needed to see was a nice big run up and a really nice big deep pullback. I really need to get everything on a discount. All right, so what I'm doing right through here is actually I'm trading this breakout long right through here. Now I did get faked out, and this was the fake out right through here. It peaked above, immediately came against me. I was at the prior candle low and I got stopped out. In retrospect, I think that maybe the stop was a little too tight, and that was the problem. But I did get back in, and this thing rallied up, and it moved sideways, pulled back, and then rallied from there. Now, this is what I was doing on the second trade. I was looking to get back in, where was it? Right around through this area, right through here, and it flagged through. I got in. I was going to the previous candle, or the previous pivot high right through here at about $4, and this was the real nuts and bolts of the trade right through here. So it flagged through. I took profits at high a day right through here. It did start to run. I was already out. I thought to myself, you know what, if this thing can actually pare back a little bit and give me an opportunity to get back in, I'll do the exact same trade. And then from here, it pulled back. I got the reset that I needed to see on the MACD. This thing pushed through and went straight to profit again, and that was the day. It was a pretty straightforward day. Having said that, today was exceptionally tiring because I did have to wait all day to trade. I'm generally in and out of stocks somewhere between 10 and 11:30 at the latest. I'm already done trading, but today it was a really long, drawn-out day. I would say that I'm exceptionally tired because of how long I actually had to sit in front of the market. I was pushing the gas a little bit on a few of these trades. The first three trades that I put on for the day were all negative, and the fourth and fifth trade took me into profit, and it was just about executing the same pattern, same strategy over and over and over again. And I finally clawed my way out of a losing day, took myself into profit for the weekend, and that is the video recap. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out. Please like, let me know what your thoughts and comments are on this trade or any of the other past trades that I put on. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.